Adding "ly" to adjectives, your shortcut to creating adverbs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and critical topic: adding "ly" to adjectives. This is a common technique used to form adverbs from adjectives, helping you expand your vocabulary and making your sentences more dynamic. Let's get started. First, let's refresh our memories on what adjectives and adverbs are. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun, like happy, blue, or quick. On the other hand, an adverb primarily modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, often explaining how, when, or where something happens. Examples include happily, suddenly, or quickly. So, how do we form adverbs? One of the most common methods is by adding "ly" to an adjective. Here's how it works. If you have an adjective like happy, adding "ly" to the end gives us the adverb happily. Similarly, quick becomes quickly. However, remember that there are some exceptions. Not all adjectives can simply have an "ly" tacked on to the end to make an adverb, and not all adverbs end with "ly." But in a lot of cases, this is a simple rule that can be very helpful. When adding "ly", there are a few spelling rules to keep in mind. 1. For most adjectives, you just add "ly" at the end. For example, brave becomes bravely. 2. If the adjective ends in y, you change the y to I and add "ly". For instance, happy becomes happily. 3. If the adjective ends in ly, you change the e to y. Like simple would change to simply. Finally, be aware that English always has some exceptions. For example, good is an adjective, but the adverb form is well, not goodly. Fast can be both an adjective and an adverb, so always make sure to learn and remember these irregular forms. And that wraps up our video for today on adding "ly" to adjectives. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to create adverbs from adjectives. Remember, practice is key. The more you use these in your writing and speaking, the more natural it will become. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.